More than 98% of people will stay broke in 2025. And here's why. If you are not making more than $10,000 per month online, you are not just behind, you are getting left behind. See, the game has changed. More than 99% of the people are not willing to sacrifice their 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. rather than sleeping. They can just work or just can exercise, and they are not willing to do this. And some of it are just stuck at the old game, like freelancing or etc. fucking work. Let me show you why you can't become any type of rich person. The one of the biggest lie that you have been sold is that school told you to go to college, the college told you to get a degree and to get a job. And that's not fucking security. Believe me, it's a slavery in a disguise. Meanwhile, a 17, 18, even a 14-year-old going to Bali making more than money making. Meanwhile, me, a 17-year-old or any 14-year, 16-year-old kid going to Bali making money from drop shipping store more than your uncle makes in your and meanwhile, a 17-year or a 16-year-old going to Bali and making more from a drop shipping store than your uncle makes it in a year and getting shit done in a 4 a.m. or like a 5 a.m. workout. The problem isn't about you are lazy. The problem is you have been brainwashed. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why most of you people will stay broke in 2025 and only some will break free. Let me give you some 3 biggest holes that is making you broke in 2025. Dopamine slavery. You are addicted to short-term pleasure like Instagram, YouTube, the dopamine loop. You are just hijacked by just a 6-inch screen phone. Consumption over production means you watch Netflix, but you can't just sit down and focus and to get some shit done. Debt culture. You take advices from broke people and get some degrees that don't pay, and you buy stuff that you can't afford just to like impress people who just doesn't care about you, neither your family. At 14 also I am saying no to college because I made more than $2,000 to $3,000 per month by just running ads for a local gym, and like I don't have like any kind of family backups or like a backup plan or anything kind of right now. But I had the one thing, that is no one is coming to fucking save me or my family. Once you realize this, you will never whipping around and you will start building. And when will you get your first client? That first client makes us unpredictable and like an unstoppable after that. And it's like not because of money. It's because it will just prove you that you can do it too. So let's talk about some real business opportunities. The first is obviously SMM, social media marketing. देखिए, आज के समय पर businesses को leads चाहिए, and if you can generate them leads, you are got to them. Second is AI integrated business. If you can just combine ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any kind of AI with sales call, cold emails, DMs, you have just made a money printer. You have just made a money printer right now. Third, the biggest thing that you ever call scam, and that is personal brand and your offer. You are just one funnel away to make your 6 figures if you can just make this business model and run this business model. But most of you guys, that if they are watching this video from now or like या उसमें तो अभी तक हटा भी दी होगी जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं, but if you are watching till now, you will be succeed. That's my guarantee. And the most people that doesn't have any kind of time or patience to just test these business model also. Let me tell you the 1% mindset that changed my life, and that is delay gratification. The ability to do what to do now that will pay off you 3 months from now or like a 6 months from now. That 99% people chase comfort, but that 1% that build discipline is this the only mindset. The every single entrepreneur I know or the contacts that I have, they just don't fucking wakes up early. They just control their inputs, control their days, control their working days, task inputs, all these kind of things to just be more productive. If they are productive, they are doing more things. And you, just watching this reel. So, they are the real entrepreneurs. We are not. They are the real fucking rich ones. They are doing that level kind of productivity that you can't. And that is, I'm telling you. If I just lost everything today, all of my $5,000 or $10,000, if I lost my graphics group right now, this is what I will do. First of all, I will find out some of kind of leads for my business like dentist shop, e-com leads or kind of like local gyms. Then I will send some 100 Loom videos to them and like pitch them, outreach them through cold email, cold calls, cold any kind of outreach fucking method right now. And then I will give them a irresistible offer to just work with me and onboard a meeting with them. Then I will give them the work they not deserve. I will give them just some more work that they can't deserve right now at that price. And then I will raise price and at kind of 2 to 3 months or like 4 months I will be back to $5,000 to $10,000 because skills is more important to me than circumstances because mostly entrepreneurs don't need any kind of fucking make money online type of motivation. They just rely on systems. Now also, you only need clarity, consistency, and a little bit of courage. Because if you can't do these, you will never be successful. And if you are also tired of watching those people win and wants to you also win and kind of make your breakout year 2025 rather than your breakup year, so just subscribe me and comment I'm in. I will send you a free Loom video for how will you get your first client in 2025. Okay, so choose wisely because your options are your tragedy.